Frustrated with unstable setups in a cramped workspace? Your miter saw deserves better. The T34445 3-piece miter saw workstation delivers a stable, spacious, and adjustable cutting platform built for serious work. Crafted for the dedicated woodworker, this heavy-duty workbench features a 1 1/4 inch thick Hevea butcher block top that's both tough and durable, ready for years of heavy use. This 3-piece design includes 2 support wings, each measuring 32 inches wide by 24 inches deep, and with feet adjustable from 32 to 35 inches in height that can level the workstation up to 3 inches. The center platform sits lower to align perfectly with your saw, creating a flush, stable cutting surface. Built to handle real work. The 10-gauge steel legs and 14-gauge steel stretchers support up to 500 pounds, giving you the stability to take on tough jobs. Pre-drilled leg holes spaced 32 millimeters apart make customization easy. Add shelves, doors, or the optional T34446 workstation drawer, an indispensable upgrade that keeps essential tools like blades, pencils, and measuring instruments right at your fingertips. Need more storage? The lower stretchers are designed to accommodate a plywood shelf, not included, so you can maximize your workspace with ease. Stop fighting makeshift setups and start cutting with a dedicated workstation. Upgrade your shop today and experience the difference. Available now at grizzly.com.